Sir, regarding lang po sa mga hindi po na-mention ni President Aquino yesterday, sir, na pinoint out po ng mga militants on the ground in front of St. Peter, sir, hindi po, apparently, he didn't mention the peace talks, wage increase, housing development, and land reform, sir. None of this was mentioned, sir, according to them, sir. So what can you say about that, sir?
Well, hindi lang nagkasya na siguro sa panahon, kaya hindi na-mention. Talagang, kung mapapansin nyo, how long was the sauna yesterday? 50 minutes? Oh, almost an hour, di ba? So, ang in-emphasize ng Pangulo doon kahapon ay yung mga direktang mga konkretong accomplishments niya na direktang nakakaapekto sa ordinary nating mga mamamayan. So yung mga binanggit mong mga issues, hindi ibig sabihin nun ay hindi ito mga priority. But yung insofar as the peace process is concerned, let me tell you na mahaba na at malalim na ang inaabot natin dyan. We just can't go public on those matters as yet dahil medyo maraming sensitivities about the peace process. Yung tungkol naman sa land reform, ang land reform naman malinaw ang inuutos ng Carper na dapat silang mag-wind up or mag-wind down by 2014. So nandoon yon. So yung ano pa yung isa mo sinabi, yung sa employment, nabanggit niya kahapon na bumaba ang unemployment rate, di ba? O tumaas ang employment rate. So, ibig sabihin, mga nagdagdagan tayo ng 1 million pang mga employed na sa kasalukuyan.
I'm sorry, sir, wage increase po yung ano.
Wage increase, alam mo kasi, yung wage increase is an issue that is left to the better judgment of our tripartite wage boards, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, there's no presidential intervention that can happen there. It's up to the wage boards. Yun ang talagang by law ang totoong nag-prescribe ng wage increases natin.